Family businesses can be a challenge, but they can be very rewarding too.
We have a reputation that has gone with us that is positive, and kept us in business that long, which again, I think is a testament to my dad and then passing down those attributes to Ron, and he continue with that quality and business sense and, just doing good work in the community.
To go from me starting in 1980 through 2020, my son Ron coming on board.
Dad and I always had a great working relationship, enjoyed working together.
Starting when he was 7, 8 years old. And it was our Saturday deal. He'd come to job sites with me, and it helps make a 50-year anniversary possible. I couldn't have done this by myself. When he became president, and I had to gradually back out and let him do Ron things while I was backing out and not doing Randy things anymore. To make that transition from one family member to the next, it kills a lot of businesses, but in our family it's worked out.
Of course, I've learned a lot of the operations of the business and from Randy, and a lot of the relating to people, the being honest, living up to your commitments and your promises.
What I'm most proud of is a successful business with the employees that we have, and the fact that it's been able to transition into the next generation, and I think it has a good chance of going to even a third generation.
I really just like working with family, and I would love to keep it in the family. So, especially for Dad starting it, to keep the family legacy going, that would be something really neat, really be proud of.
I kind of grew up around it. My dad worked here. I started here, my first summer was right after high school, right after I graduated, and that was in 2022, so 4 years now. Obviously my uncles worked here, and Ron still works here, and my grandpa started working here, and I've enjoyed it. So I am a construction management major at the University of Cincinnati.
We've got a lot of good people working in the field, all the way up through here in the office, just all pulling for the same goals and working together and providing quality projects on time, and I can't say enough about them. I mean, my favorite part is actually doing the work in the field. I don't get to do that nearly as often anymore as I'd like to, but I also like getting a job done, being able to go back and say, yeah, we accomplished that. I'm really proud of that. So
I get excited when I see like Sycamore Trails all finished. Like, it just looks so nice, and like such a peaceful space for people. Like, it's just a real community space, that and Miamisburg riverfront.
We've got a lot of great people, hardworking people, and a lot of our employees have been with us for a lot of years, so very loyal.
People stay, and people want to stay, and they're proud, to be here and to be working here.
Name's Daniel Couch, total of 9 years with Double Jay. I really enjoy working here because it's more family oriented. It's a great place to work, very stable, love the people.
Well, I've been here 12 years, and the growth that I've witnessed and been a part of has been impressive, and I see no reason that won't continue under current management and ownership.
I'm very impressed, I don't know if that's the right word, but about the volume of work we do each year with the amount of people we have. It's really neat.
What I see is a company that's got a good foundation and good people, and to keep it going,